Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working on mobile phone. The first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, turn off your Wi-Fi for a few seconds, then on again or use your mobile data. If that is not working, turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then off again. And the second step is restart your phone. Restart your phone. Sometimes or simple restart can fix loading and crashing issues. So this helps small box and glitches. So the another step is turn off VPN or anything, turn off VPN or proxy. And the other step is app update. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Go to your Google Play Store or App Store, then search for the app and click on app update. Then click on update option if it is available. So the other step is clear app cache. Go to your phone setting, then select apps or app management, then go to your app list or apps, then search for the app, then go to storage and cache, click on clear cache. This helps file causing problems. This removes file causing problems. So the another step is try using a different browser like Chrome or Safari. If none of these works, the last step is reinstall the app. The other step is check server status. Make sure sometimes the problem is not from your side. The server may be down. Wait for a few seconds, then try it again. And the last step is reinstall the app. Make sure if none of these works, reinstall the app, restart your phone, and install it again from Google Play Store or App Store. This helps. This gives fresh start to the app. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.